Hello friend, the subject of data structure and algorithm. Topic will be covered up in this lecture, symbol table. The symbol table are data structure that are used by compiler to hold the information about the source program. Construct a symbol table is a necessary component because declaration of identifier appear once in a program. Use of identifier may appear in many phases of the program text. Next, phases of compiler, source program, lex analyzer, syntax analyzer, semantic analyzer, intermediate code generator, code optimizer, code generator, or target program. In information provided by symbol table, give an identifier which name it is, what is information is to be associated with name, how do we access this information. Symbol table name variable and label, parameter, constant, record fields, procedure, array and files. Who creates symbol table? Identifier attributes are entered by the analysis phase when processing a definition of an identifier. If simple language with only global variable and implicit declaration, the scanner and enter identifier into a small table if it is not already there. In block structure language with scope and explicit declaration, the parse and or semantic analyzer enter identifier and corresponding attributes. Use of symbol table. Symbol table information is used by the analysis and synthesis phase to verify that use identifier have been defined and declared, to verify that expression and semantically correct type checking, to generate intermediate or target code. Symbol table management. To support this phase of compiler, a symbol table is maintained. The task of symbol table is store the identifier used in the program. The symbol table also store information about attribute of each identifier. The attribute of identifier are usually its type of its scope information about the storage allocated for it. The symbol table also store information about subrouting used in the program. In case of subrouting, the symbol table store the name of the subroutine, the number of arguments passed to the types of this argument, the method of passing this argument may be call by value or call by reference, and return if any. Basically, symbol table is data structure store the information about the identifier. The symbol table allows the to find the record for each identifier which can store the retrieval data from the record efficiently. During compilation, the lex analyzer detects the identifier and make its entry in the symbol table. However, lex analyzer cannot determine all the attributes for an identifier, and therefore the attributes are entered by the remaining phase of compiler. Various phases can use the symbol table in various ways. For example, while doing a semantic analysis intermediate code generator, we need to know what it identifier. Then during the code generation, typically information about much storage is allocated, identifier is saved. Symbol table is important in data structure in the compiler. Symbol table used to store the information about the occurrence of various entries of the sub-objects, classes, variable name, interface, function name. It is used by both analysis and synthesis phase. The symbol table used for the following purpose. It is used to store the name of all entities and structure from at one place. It is used to verify if variable has been declared. It is used to determine the scope of name. It is used to implement the type of checking by verifying assignments and expression in the source code. are semantically correct. A symbol table can either linear or hash table using the following format to maintain entries for each name. For example, suppose a variable store in the information about the following table declaration: static integer salary. Implementation. The symbol table can be implemented in the unordered list if the compiler is used to handle the small amount of data. A symbol table can be implemented in the one of the following techniques: linear list, hash table, binary search tree. Symbol table are mostly implemented by hash table. Operation of symbol table. First, insert. Insert operation is more frequently used in analysis phase when tokens are identified and names are stored in the table. The insert operation is used to insert the information in the symbol table like unique name occurring in the source code. In source code, the attribute for the symbol table information associated with the symbol, the information contains state, value, type, and scope about the symbol. The insert function takes the symbol and its value in the argument. For example, integer x, insert x and int. Lookup. The symbol table lookup operation are used to search the name. It is to determine the existence of symbol table, the declaration of symbol table before it is used. Check whether the name is used in the scope. Initialization of the symbol table, checking the whether is declared multiple times. The basic format of lookup function is and follow lookup symbol. Advantages of symbol table: to store the name of all entries in a structured form at the one place, to verify if variable has declared, to implement type checking by verifying assignments and expression in the source code are semantically correct, to determine the scope of name. Thank you friends for watching this video.